When the night feels cold and long, I hold on to a hopeful song. A smile breaks through clouds of gray. I know I'll find a better day. I've seen my mother hope through storms, my father's strength calm and true. The books I read, the friends I trust, give me the light to push through. Tomorrow